In this video, I'll show you how to add a direct Buy Now button in Woocommerce. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type Direct Buy. Look for a plugin that says Buy Now button for Woocommerce. Once you find it, click Install, then activate the plugin. After activation, you'll notice a new Buy Now button section added to the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on that to open the settings. Here, you can customize how the Buy Now button appears. You can choose its position, like before or after Add to Cart button, change the redirect location, and even edit the button text. Once you've made your changes, scroll down and click Save. Now, to see it live, go to the upper left corner and click on your store name. Then, select Visit Site. And there you have it. The Buy Now buttons are now visible in your shop, giving your customers a faster checkout option. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.